We're here at the old Randall Ordinary, spectacular property that Jovial Foods and the principal Carla Bertolucci purchased several years ago. She has a great vision to turn this into an organic farm. She's already started to plant some organic produce here on the farm towards the western edge of the property. The central part of it is the restoration of the old Randall house. And part of Carla's vision is to restore this building and extend it and turn it into a wonderful gathering place. The building itself is an historic structure. It's on the National Register of Historic Places. So it's very important in our minds to bring this back to its original form. And the plan is not only to have hearth cooking here, but Carla's vision is also to add a commercial kitchen and an event space adjacent to that commercial kitchen. And that event space will cater up to 100 people. There'll be a pastry kitchen as well as a main cooking kitchen as part of this whole complex. And adjacent to that, there'll be a terrace and then stepping down to an eventual swimming pool. So this will be quite a place to come to. Directly across from the Randall house is an historic barn with a stone foundation. And the plan right now is to restore that as a cooking barn. So that'll be where Carla and her associates conduct cooking classes. Adjacent to the restored barn, there will be a 7-bedroom inn, kind of a boutique inn. So people that come up here and go to a cooking class can also stay overnight or stay for the weekend. Right now, the old silo barn is being taken down to make way for a fabulous organic orchard that will be planted in that area. It was ascertained that the building could not meet current codes. We're carefully going through it, and we're going to be salvaging some magnificent old rustic beams. I just measured a couple this morning. They're close to 33, 34 feet long. There's some fabulous old elements that we're going to be salvaging and then reusing in the new buildings that we're going to be putting up here. We're looking forward to having this be a wonderful project for this area. We're really excited, and as we move forward, we're hoping to have this become a real project for everyone involved, and it's been a great team effort and a real pleasure. Here's to the future of the Randall property.